Hello, today we are practicing auscultation of the heart. All students.
My name is Arfat and my group is OMA 226, and today we will discuss about the auscultation of heart. And in auscultation of heart we will see 5 points.
Okay, first point please.
The first point is located the fifth intercostal space, and this is mitral valve, bicuspid valve.
Okay, please
And
listening.
this is located fifth intercostal space, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5.
Okay. You listening sound?
Yes.
Okay. Next point.
And the second point is located left side of the sternum, and this is called atrioventricular valve.
No, aortic valve.
Oh, sorry, aortic valve.
Just
And this is located second intercostal space, left side, right side of the sternum. And the third point is located left side of the sternum, and this is called pulmonary valve. And this is located second intercostal space.
Okay. 1, 2.
And
After pulmonary, which valve? Which point? After pulmonary valve, which point we
fourth
are?
point,
Fourth point name?
tricuspid valve.
Okay, listening where?
And this is
Tricuspid.
located square process of the sternum.
Okay.
And now we will see the fifth point, and this is located third intercostal space.
Okay, points name?
Both canal arbor.
Okay, good. Listening. You listening sound?
Yes.
Put again.
Here.
Oh, yeah. Inhale, exhale, don't breathe for a second.
Yes.
Okay, we are completed.